Hey Andy, this is your news. Now, if you've ken about 3i Atlas, if you've hinna heard about it, I dinna ken fit why you've managed to miss it. But ken anyway, it's an interstellar object. Ken, it's making its way through our solar system of now. We're being told it's a comet, but ken there's just sorts of things about it. Ken, it just dinna sit quite right. Ken, I'd say there's no lot of water on it. Ken, the licht is coming off it's polarised. Ken, as if it's actually emitting its own licht and ken nae reflecting just licht. There's nickel coming out of it. Ken, is out on the iron. That's nae ken objects in our solar system look like. Ken, there's carbon dioxide coming out of it. Ken, is out the water and was out muckle carbon monoxide. You know, that's a bit nae recht. Again, there's just, you hate to go and read my article on your news about it. There's a load more things that are just, just odd about it, as well as its trajectory and all sorts of things like that. And the other thing is, it's coming from the same part of the sky before we had, someone cried the wow signal, if it was, in the hydrogen band, because a radio signal be received, but it was wideband, so it might have been someone, artificial, or, there's other hypotheses about it, but, it came from the same region as here. And then another thing, which has been pointed out by somebody called Chris O'Neill, or the Angry Astronaut on YouTube, and he was pointing out that this interstellar object at Avi Loeb investigated that crashed into the ocean and were able to recover some microspherules, and some of them had higher levels of beryllium and uranium and I think lactinum and other things like that. That we just weren't expecting a meteorite. Well, that can't come from the same part of the sky, you know. So there's just something going on, and here read about it, and we're going to be getting more results seen for Mars. So 3i Atlas is just ginked past Mars. NASA turned off into to take other readings for it, and so we'll get a wee bit more information, and we only luck there might be something with the Juno probe if it ginks past Jupiter, and we'll find out more about this thing. And it's a mystery. What find out more about it? So and if you want to just get more stories, okay, so mind and like and subscribe to the news from here.